TechMind. I am Mayur, and today we are diving into one of the fundamental concepts of SQL, how to create the table and insert records. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up upon your SQL skill, this tutorial is a perfect for you. So we'll start by understanding the basic structure of an SQL table and then move on to create one from the scratch. After that, we'll learn how to insert records into our table. By the end of this video, you'll have solid grasp of creating table and inserting data, setting strong foundation for your SQL journey. So we'll start to create our first table. Before that one, we need to connect our database, okay, or SQL Server as well to the system. So for this one, we need to go here, we need to click on this, yeah, and need to connect from here, okay. So you need to click on anywhere on this blank page, just click it, then this will be pop up, yeah, up here, and you need to select from here your database. That's what we create last time. So need to create table here, okay. For this one you need to write the syntax, just look carefully, okay. Create table. My table name will be the employee. Then we need to put open parenthesis, then we need to EID. For the ID, we need to put data type of integer because it's a number. So e name, there is the name. So alphabet will become, so there will be always data type of varchar for the alphabet. So varchar, we can give the condition of 10 alphabet limit, 50 or whatever it is. But I suggest you to put max. Okay, this is the best one. And these commas are very important. Okay, if you miss this one, for example, I'll delete this one intentionally so you understand. I'll try to put here age. Age will be the integer. Okay, can you see this one? The red marking below age. See the incorrect syntax near age because of you miss this comma. So you need to differentiate each column from this table. Okay, these are the column. So from this comma, that's identified. This column is a different one, and this was a different one. Okay, so the next one is like we need to create 5 to 6 columns for this one. We need to put more column name. Okay, the E4 height, employee height. For this one, we need to put as float data type. Why float? Because of there will be like a not fixed number with like a decimal numbers. For example, 166.2, 144.72, or 144, 155, or something else. Okay, so they are keep increasing or decreasing. That's why we need to float. That's not fixed one. So the next one is E uh, E location. We can put another alphabet. So put varchar. So max is limit, comma again, and then the last I can give it E date of birth. Yeah, the date time function for this one or data type. So close parenthesis. So this is how you create a structure for the table within column. And we have the six columns. Okay, so need to select from here till end. Then we just go to here and need to select execution. Yeah, our query successfully run. Okay, but now we need to verify is it created or not, the whole structure of this table. Okay, what we created here. So remember the six column. Okay, so for this one there is a query or syntax. For example, let's select asterisk and from employee our table name. Okay, so yeah, our structure is ready. Okay, so you must be thinking why this star. Okay, the asterisk means it can pull the all the columns from the table within a database. Okay, from the database we don't have to put individually. So for this one you need to put asterisk. So this is a mandatory one. So after this one, we need to know how to insert our records in the table. So I hope you understand this one. If you have any queries, you can mention in comment. Okay. So next one is the inserting data. Insert into the table name will be here. Employee values. Okay, the values we're going to put inside. Remember how many columns we have? The six. Okay, so there will be six values. The first will be the ID. ID will be the one here, comma again, differentiate, name. Okay, the name will be in apostrophe. So I'll use an apostrophe, remember. The name will be, I'll put my name, Mayur, close with apostrophe again, comma to differentiate, column. Third will be the age. I'll put age as like the random, I'm just random putting the random figure, okay? 28 age. Again, height, there will be height. So here I'll put as like a 166, random again, or okay. The location will be, I'll put as Pune. Again, alphabetical. Every alphabetical record will be put in a apostrophe. Okay, this one. Just don't forget this one. And the comma to differentiate again. Okay, we're done with the location. Now the date of birth. Date of birth also put in apostrophe, but there is a difference. You need to put as in year, month, and day. Okay, this will be the format. You cannot put month, or you cannot put day, month, or year. Always be like first year, then month, then day. Then here I just randomly put the year 1992. The month will be the 11th. The day will be the 6th. Okay. So this will be the like total six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Because of we have 6 columns, we have 6 records for the each column for the differential. Then we have to select here. Then we go to the execute. Once the execution done, the query is run successfully. The see, one row is affected. That means it's run successfully. For this one, need to check is it put well or not inside the table. So need to select here, then go to again execution. Once executed, see, we put our records here. That's how you record it. Records will be saved in the table and within a database. Okay, so this table is created. Okay, the employee table will be created and this record will be saved in this table, and the table and record will be saved in our database name of Max 2024. So that's how create a table and put the record inside the table. Okay, so that's it for today, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe this uh, channel, and I hope this helped to you, helpful for you. Yeah, thank you very much.